Nowadays, the voiceover industry is huge. It makes billions, whether that's pounds or dollars. Voiceovers everywhere. It just used to be obviously radio commercials, TV commercials. Now it's massive. It's all over social media. You've probably seen some already on YouTube today. You've probably seen them on Facebook, on Twitter, TikTok. There's all sorts of videos on there. Streaming services like Amazon and things like that have adverts on beforehand. I've done personally adverts for streaming services that have not been showed on terrestrial or digital TV. Yeah, that sort of thing. So today, though, we're going to get back to basics and we're going to make a radio commercial. Yes, all the way from the start, we're going to plan it through from the script that I've been sent to the music choices that we're going to choose and to the sort of the production elements, so sound effects and things in full. So let's get on with it. It's a brand new Make Some Noise video. This is it. Subscribe now. Let's go make a radio commercial. Right then, so first things first, we need to record the voiceover. I've been sent a script. It's about 60 words long, so it's roughly around 30 seconds to put into an advert. Our plan is to do the voiceover, make it all sound nice, edit it all so it's very nice, and then we're going to add some music and some sound effects to make it sound radio friendly and to intrigue listeners, of course, to go along and spend their money, because that's how commercials work, of course. Right, so I've got my script. So let's get straight on then to the voiceover. Let's hit record, bring up the script, and what we'll do a few takes, a few different styles. Let's do one just fairly fast, not too fast. Get ready for a brand new adventure at Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taft's Well. Perfect for friends, family, team outings and more. Head over to puzzledescaperooms.co.uk and use the code RADIO for 10% off your booking. Check us out in Taft's Well for 2 minutes. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from the Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk. There you go. Fun, punchy. We can do mistakes, that's fine, because we can edit things out. So don't worry if you're ever doing voiceovers, don't worry about making mistakes. Nobody's perfect. You can go back and go, no, I don't like that. Delete that, record again. That's the beauty, I guess, of digital recording nowadays. Not loads of tapes and things where we have to worry about using stuff. Let's do one more time. Let's do it a little bit slower this time. Here we go then. Get ready for a brand new adventure at Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taft's Well. Perfect for friends, family, team outings and more. Head over to puzzledescaperooms.co.uk and use the code RADIO for 10% off your booking. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from the Showcase Cinema. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. Let's do that line one more time. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk. 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 There you go. I think I'm going more towards the second version at the moment. Sounds good. Let's do it just one more time. Just as a third, always good. We'll try and do it from top to bottom in one go. Hopefully. Get ready for a brand new adventure at Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taft's Well. Perfect for friends, family, team outings and more. Head over to puzzledescaperooms.co.uk and use the code RADIO for 10% off your booking. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk. Do that line just one more time. Check us out in Taft's Well, just 2 minutes from Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk. There you go, quite happy with that. That's a few little recordings there. We'll just stop the recording. And what we'll do now, we'll get into editing mode. So here we are then. Here's our 3 takes. I've already chopped it up for you, save you all the boring bits. So there we go. We've done our 3 takes. The plan is now we'll do a little bit of audio editing on that a little bit later on, so it fits in with the music. So what I'm going to use for music, if you're not familiar, there's a website called Pixabay. Here it is. You can see it there, pixabay.com. It's full of stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock. Over 4.3 million high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by our talented community. Now, you have to be sort of careful what you're getting. It's a bit confusing. It says it's royalty-free, but some things you can't use with some things, but it's all there. So what we can do is we can drop this down and we can put it into music mode and find out what sort of music. We've got a few there. This is what I've used before: rock, trance, EDM, upbeat, country, folk music. So we're doing what are we doing? Like an escape room. So we need something sort of puzzling, maybe quizzical. Let's try adventure. Let's see what that brings up. And what you get is a whole list. I see adventure, no copyright music. Download adventure royalty-free audio tracks and instrumentals for your next project. It comes up with lots and lots of songs. You can listen to them by hitting on the play button. There you go. And you can find whichever you want. You can download, and it will download then as an MP3 if that's what you want, and you can edit it as you please in your DAW, your DAW as they call it nowadays. So what I'll do, I'll find some music and we'll come straight back. So then we've found our music. It's well, let's just say it's epic. It's epic. It sounds like this. Ooh. There you go. Lots of violins. It sounds to me like you're at sea. That's what they're going for here. That's what they're going for. So what I'm going to do, it's a bit long. The audio itself, what we recorded, the voiceover, is only about 30 seconds long. This is it's over a minute, just over a minute. So what I'll do now is I'll edit that down to about 30 seconds. Fingers crossed. Let's do that then. Right then, I don't think there's going to be much to do really. We've got the vocal, which is sounding nice. I've just done a quick little edit, just chopped off the bit that I didn't really want. Put that in there. What we can do though, if we want, is to go through the whole of this recording. We'll just take this off solo for a minute. Take those off for the whole of this recording, and just making each word sound a little bit softer as it comes in, which could take a bit of time. So we'll do that step by step. Just dropping off a bit there. Take out any unwanted breaths as well, so it just makes it sound a little bit nicer. Get ready for a brand new adventure. Get ready for a brand new adventure. I think it sounds good. I don't think it's too in your face. I don't think it's too cheesy. We want it to be exciting. At Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taffswell. We can also sort of look at what we've recorded as well and listen and think, does that need to be a little bit quicker? Does that need to become a little bit sooner, so we can sort of chop things up, move things along as well. Take out all this bit here is silence. We don't really need all that, so we can take all that out, and that sounds perfect for friends, family, team outings, and more. So we'll just go through all of that very, very quickly. And we might even... Should we speed it up? Go on, I like a bit of speeding up. Let's speed it up like Benny Hill. So we've edited down the audio into little clips, as you can see. So we softened some of the ends of the clips, just using a bit of a fade tool, fade in, fade out. Just to take any sort of syllabus off and any sort of hard T's, things like that, or P's, as we're doing now. Also, I've cut the music right down as well from 1 minute to, well, it's with the fade out, it's just over 37 seconds. There you go. But we'll chop that down as well, get that to as close to 30 seconds as possible. But what it does need, the plan is a nautical feel. That means boats sailing, the ocean. So Logic has got a great bank of sound effects and things, and I do believe if I do a search, I can find. Oh, there it is. See, ship. I've already done the search. There you go. That's prepared. That's preparation. Ship in heavy seas, which sounds. Will it play if I do this? Hang on. That's seagulls. There we go. So lots of splashing and things, lots of creaking of boats. We're going to just put that in there, drop it just underneath our music, and then I don't particularly want it all because we don't need a minute's for it. So we'll just cut to there for now, and then we might just fade it out. A little bit of panning. I think that's just right, just about there. Maybe just a little bit more, and we should have a nice little sea sound underneath our advert now.
Get ready for a brand new adventure at Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taff's Well. Perfect for friends, family, team outings and more. Head over to puzzledescaperooms.co.uk and use the code RADIO for...
I think that works well. It's subtly in the background, not too loud, not too heavy. I think it's just in the right position. We'll just pan it a little bit more so it's in the left. And then I thought a nice little way to finish...
rooms.co.uk.
It's a bit of a bit of a foghorn of a boat, so a bit of a brrr. I'm sure we'll have something like that. Let's have a quick look. Let's do horn, French horn, no, boat foghorn or bike horn. Maybe not that. No. Yeah, that works. It's a little bit long, but we can put that in, and we'll just drop that in. We'll put that just at the end. So let's get that right at the end of the advert. We don't want to go too far because I want to be able to cut some off. So we'll just go back a little bit more, and then we'll shorten this because we don't really need to see that far. And then we'll take our fade tool and we'll just give it a nice little fade out. So we'll just change our fade out. So there we go, a little bit of a fade out on there, so it should just end quite nicely now, actually, like this. That works.
Good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk.
Nice, there we go. I think that's pretty much finished. A little bit of, just check the EQ. I'll just give it a slight little bass boost. Sound a little bit tinny in places. We'll just change that down a bit.
Get ready for a brand new adventure at Puzzled Escape Rooms in Taff's Well. Perfect for friends, family, team outings and more. Head over to puzzledescaperooms.co.uk and use the code RADIO for 10% off your booking. Check us out in Taff's Well, just 2 minutes from Showcase Cinema, with free parking on site and a guaranteed good time. puzzledescaperooms.co.uk.
There we go then. That's our radio commercial. That will be on UK radio at some point. Do listen out for it if you live in South Wales. So let's do a quick recap then of what we did. We took a script that was sent to us, recorded it. So we did 3 takes, didn't we? Slightly different styles. Then put it into our compressed channel. Bit of EQ on it, chopped it up a bit, took out the breaths that we didn't need to the bits and the clicks and pops and things. Also smoothed off some of the sentences, so took out any sort of hard letters and things that was a bit too full on, if that makes sense. We then found some music on pixabay.com, royalty-free music, which was a minute long. We chopped it down to just under 35 seconds, I think it was. Oh, was it 37 seconds? And we shortened it a little bit more, didn't we? Faded that in and out so it was all in one. And then we added some sound effects elements of some heavy sea ships, because it's for a nautical feel, it's meant to be at sea, and a bit of a foghorn as well, and we made it so it was around about 32 seconds with a fade out. So that's pretty much it. That'll be bounced down now and sent to the client, we should say, and that'll be on the radio. We'll do that in MP3 format, but there you go, that's it. That's us making a radio commercial. We'll come back and do another one at some point. But there you go. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well, and do whatever you want to do. Comment if you've got any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. But that is the new Make Some Noise video. We've made a radio commercial. Enjoy your day.